Welcome to Kilts Culture. I'm Rocky. This is Eric.
Yo.
Hope you enjoyed our little intro thing there. Today, special treat. Redemption. This is the High Rye Bourbon Single Barrel Select. This is given to us by Kerry Rogan or Rohan or Rogan. Not sure exactly how to say his last name, but by a wonderful
Hi,
human.
Kerry.
Yes, hi, Kerry.
It's always just Kerry for us.
Yes, exactly. It's a first name basis.
Carry on. Carry on.
Yes. So today we're going to try. I didn't do my force power thing.
It's getting worse every time.
Oh, it is. It is. I'm horrible at this now. All right.
We need the effects department to step in and do something about this.
Indeed, indeed. All right. So this is a bourbon whiskey, I believe. Is this
Which
bourbon?
is it's
Rye bourbon.
like a rye-ish bourbon, I think.
I have no idea. Someone handed it to me, and I ingested it, or will ingest it. It's kind of how I roll.
With some rye commentary.
It's about even. It's good. It's good. It's good. Good.
Pretty. It's pretty. I can see it on the monitor. It looks really
Mr. Matt,
pretty.
if you will come collect this for Mac. Thank you, sir.
Yoink.
Exactly. Exactly. Just going to hand that over to Mac over in the back there. I'm going to screw this whole
What
thing
are you
up. Oh, dude,
doing?
I'm making a mess. It's horrible.
No, don't make a mess.
All right, fair. I won't make a mess. Just trying to make it look pretty.
Trying to
with
do
the
something
bottle.
different at the last second. He's changing the whole format of the
No,
show
I'm not. They've done
right
this
now.
before. Look. Now look. Throw that down there.
You've never done that before.
Roll the footage.
You've never turned the table like that before. I'm sure of it.
At least twice. In the last episode, and I think the one before that.
Whatever.
I tried to do it so they could see our kilt and our tartan a little bit more.
Oh, I see. Right.
What tartan do you think we're wearing? You'll find out shortly. Okay, we're gonna do this. Gonna do this first. Then we're gonna announce our new tartan. So, Redemption, High Rye, High Wire Act whiskey, single barrel thing. I don't know. There we go. I'm very respectful of the name. All right,
It's gonna be a day.
It's going to be a day. Lack of sleep and a lot of caffeination. Exactly. All right, Mac. What do you got on the nose there?
In the nose, vanilla wafer, rye spice, and a hint of everyone's favorite fruit, red.
I want to know, if somebody actually drinks whiskey and scotch and bourbon and stuff like that, what the hell is red fruit? It just says red. Last show they did it. This show did it. Like I want like. This shoot is more of like this fruit's more of a chartreuse.
I mean, it could be like berries. It could be an apple. It could be a kumquat. I don't know.
I know.
Next one, can we get like a yellow fruit?
I know. That's
Mix
what
it
I'm
up.
saying.
Like,
I want chartreuse.
Yeah.
Cantaloupe. Just no honeydew.
Honeydew? Jesus, why does Cantaloupe think every time it gets invited to a party, it can bring along its dumb friend Honeydew?
Honeydew's horrible. It's the
Honeydew is the place filler.
Yes.
It fills up the excess space.
It's the zero of fruits. All right.
So I can get some vanilla. Nice.
Definitely sweet.
It's very sweet. So I'm getting a lot of a nice caramelly tone. Slightly leathery tone. It's actually a more active nose than I remember from the last couple ones. You're there. My sense of smell is better today than it has been.
I'm smelling a lot of alcohol-y. Like I'm smelling it smells like burning. I don't know. All right. Give a sip.
Very burny.
Oaky.
Yeah.
Oak.
Yeah.
Very, very sweet.
Yeah. I'm spitting out acorns. It's so oaky.
It's elegant oak. Of all the oaks, it's the elegant.
It's the elegant oak.
Yeah.
And crisp cherries with black pepper. Pepper, yes. Cherries,
Again,
I
the
don't know.
pepper.
Yeah, I'm getting the cherry a little bit.
Yeah, the pepper is that euphemism for it burns.
It burns.
And then the finish lingering and smooth seasoned wood, faint mint.
Mint. Smooth.
That's not the whiskey. Is my reaction to the amazing new graphic. It took me by surprise.
It was delicious. A delicious graphic. I'm I'm getting a little bit of the cherry. Like I'm getting a fruit.
A little bit.
Maybe that's the red fruit.
That's the red
Could be.
fruit. The red fruit is cherry.
Who knew?
Ding, ding,
Maybe
ding.
it's like the mystery fruit.
No, I'm assuming
I want to
they're
have a
not-
duck come down, like Groucho Marx.
Yes.
Say the secret word, $1,000.
Indeed. Big black painted on mustache.
Yeah, exactly. We have there's a secret tasting note, and if we guess it, the duck comes down.
We could totally rig this up now.
No.
I'm looking at the scaffolding stuff up there. We could totally rig this up.
Or we should make it more. We should make it more Scottish or something, and have like a stuffed Highland coo, like a stuffed Kylo come down from the.
Now
We have a
see,
sound effect and everything.
I'm going off the rails. Now I want to see like Matt in like the Mission Impossible outfit, like descend from the ceiling, and he's like floating
He
above
looks a
the
little
ground.
like Tom Cruise, actually.
We can do it.
Yeah.
You trust us, Matt. It's fine.
We don't get paid enough for this.
Oh yeah, we'll water it just a touch,
Just a little bit of water.
just to cut the burny.
That's all right now. I don't mind it. I'm kind of digging it.
Yeah, it's
It's very thick. It has a very heavy mouthfeel.
okay.
I think that goes with the sweetness.
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Yeah, I rather like this one. Maybe I'm more of a bourbon person than I realized.
Yeah, as far as bourbon goes, it's not bad.
Yeah.
I'm not a bourbon person, but
Well, I have had rye on occasion, not regularly, and I have some rye in the cabinet for mixing with. But I'm not saying it's a good one. It's like
this is giving me the summer campfire s'mores.
yeah.
Little bit of this.
Yep.
I could see that.
Well, maybe graham crackers, one of the tasting notes I should have added.
Get on that redemption high rye whiskey wire.
Where are they located? Is this a
Bloomington,
Merkin?
Indiana.
Indiana.
Okay.
Well, yeah, bourbon. Okay.
And we have Cameron Waldron saying red fruit
Hey.
is referencing cranberry, cherry, strawberry, etc. So it is literally
Cranberry,
all the red ones.
cherry.
Strawberry, etc.
So just fill in the.
Yeah. Sweet berryness.
Those are not the berries you're looking for. I mean, come on. What a cop.
Cop out, yeah. It's I don't know what it tastes
Red
like. It's kind
fruits.
of all of it.
Like cranberries and cherries or anything.
Then just say
like,
fruit punch. Like, slap some fruit punch in there. It's fine.
how about some nice Hawaiian whiskey?
When did they move from Indiana to Boston there?
Oh, that's all of them. It's all of them.
It's been a long week, Mac. Cut us some slack.
Yes, it has.
It's been a really long
I
week.
mean, it's not over.
I mean, over till it's over.
All right. How do you feel about it, Mr. Mack? Give us your score, 1 to 10.
I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not. Like I'm like,
He's looking at the glass like he's not sure which end to drink out.
yeah. I think I'm still gonna go like 7-1.
Oh, that high.
Okay.
I
Did
think
it
I'm
change for
7-1.
you with the water?
It did. It took a little bit. I think it almost heightened a little bit of the pepperiness for me.
I agree.
I
I
and
agree.
It kind of made it it like mellowed it out, but then like add a little bit of a more of an upkick to it
Yep.
for me.
It brought out some of the bitterness, I think.
Yeah.
It cut the sweetness and brought out some of the bitterness.
I like the word bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely, I'm getting a little bitter back
bitter.
of the mouth. Like,
That's the woody, partly the woodiness for me. Yeah, the oaky.
okay. I see that. So 7-1.
Going 7-1.
All right, Eric.
I'll do 6.7.
6.7.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
yeah. I'm going to go 6.3, which is, for me, a strong score for rye.
Very.
Or for bourbon. Yeah.
Yeah, either.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Thanks, Gary.
Thank you very much, Kerry.
Yeah, cool.
Very good stuff.
Opening our eyes to a whole new world.
Yes. All right. Now the question is, when I am done this, do I drink more of this, or do I go to my backup scotch in case I do not want to have more of that? Oh yeah,
Is that the Scotchy Scotch?
that's the scotch. The scotch. Exactly.
Scotchiest of Scotch.
That's the Dalmore. It's good stuff.
Hey you! Do you like what you're seeing? do us a favor and subscribe and get the notifications and give a like to this video right down there to help us fight the algorithm. Also, if you want to support us, we would very much appreciate your commerce over at usakilts.com. We have a lot of cool stuff, if I do say so myself.